Limassol, Cyprus. A detailed overview. Limassol, also known as Lemissos, is the second largest city in Cyprus and a major economic, cultural, and tourism hub. It is located on the southern coast of the island along the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Limassol is famous for its vibrant nightlife, historical sites, luxurious resorts, and bustling port, which is the largest in Cyprus. The city has a population of around 185,000 and serves as a business and financial center, attracting investors and tourists alike. Limassol is known for its cosmopolitan atmosphere, blending ancient history with modern development. It hosts some of Cyprus' biggest festivals, including the famous Limassol Carnival and Wine Festival, which celebrate the city's lively culture and rich winemaking heritage. The city also features a stunning coastline with long sandy beaches, lively promenades, and a marina filled with luxury yachts, trendy cafes, and fine dining restaurants. Famous places in Limassol: Limassol Marina, a luxurious waterfront destination featuring high-end restaurants, cafes, and shops with stunning sea views and yachts. Limassol Castle, a medieval fortress in the old town housing the Cyprus Medieval Museum, where Richard the Lionheart is believed to have married Berengaria of Navarre. Korean Archaeological Site, an ancient Greco-Roman city with a spectacular amphitheater, mosaics, and breathtaking views of the sea. Colossi Castle, a well-preserved Crusader fortress, once the headquarters of the Knights of St. John and famous for its connection to Cyprus wine production. Amathus Ruins, the remains of an ancient city kingdom, showcasing fascinating archaeological finds, including a large acropolis and stone-carved sarcophage. Fesori Watermania, the largest water park in Cyprus, perfect for family fun with thrilling slides and pools. Promenade Molos, a scenic seaside walkway with parks, fountains, cafes, and playgrounds, ideal for relaxation and evening strolls. Troodos Mountains, just outside the city, this natural retreat offers hiking trails, picturesque villages, and the famous Caicos Monastery. Ladies Mile Beach, a long sandy beach known for its crystal clear waters and shallow coastline, popular for sunbathing and water sports. Wine Villages, Chrysochoria, traditional villages in the Limassol district, known for producing Cyprus' famous Commandaria wine, one of the world's oldest wines. Limassol is a city that blends history, modernity, and entertainment, making it one of the most exciting destinations in Cyprus. Whether you're interested in archaeological sites, beachside relaxation, nightlife, or gastronomy, Limassol has something for everyone. A city that never sleeps, offering festivals all year round. A mix of traditional Cypriot culture and modern international influences. A perfect destination for food lovers, music fans, sports enthusiasts, and art lovers.